All right, now I have with me a very, very special guest, the superstar, the king of the Telugu industry, and the Manmadudu. See, I learned it for you, Nagarjun. So, um, you've been a part of CCL earlier as well. You've been coming here to support Telugu Warriors. Your son is playing out there. Tell me, how do you like this league? Like the concept of the league, the format of the league?
Yeah, I remember seeing it from a little bud and growing, and now it's incredible. I mean, the way it caught on in popularity, that's incredible. I mean, they always say there are two religions in India, that's cricket and movies. Other than, yeah. And it's showing. Right.
And we're combining both the things over here. This is an amalgamation of sports and celebrities, or you can say movie stars, superstars out there. So it's so much fun for the people also to watch such kind of leagues.
It is. It's a lot of fun. A lot of people identify with the actors and the stars of different teams, and it's fun.
Yes. About the match situation right now, it's a bit tricky, I know. But then Telugu Warriors, we have seen it's one of the most successful franchises. They have won 4 titles, in the past. And your son is playing, and he has captained the team really well. You must be a very happy man.
No, I'm happy. I'm happy he's doing extremely well, and yeah, they're in a tricky situation today, and hoping they get out of it. Keep the cool together, and they get out of it. But in cricket, it's like that. You know it better than anybody. So one day it's your day, next day it's not. Even a ball changes everything.
That's true. Every day is a new day here, and as we're talking about the tricky situation right now, I would like to ask you that please tell us that what is that one move which is important to outsmart the opponent?
Keep your cool, keep your calm, keep your cool, and you have another ball.
I hope Akhil is the captain cool there.
He's pretty cool. He's very cool. I've seen him being very cool in situations, and I've seen him play before, and he's been cool. And I hope he keeps his cool today.
That's true. See, I know that you've been into business as well and the movie side of it as well. And here at 8 to 3 Rummy presents CCL, they say that yahan dimag jeetega, right? So tell us that how do you balance the fitness on the field and the mental fitness as well?
How do I balance fitness on the field and mental fitness? No, if you have mental fitness, basically, you can balance anything in life. The mental fitness, mental health is very, very important. You know, you have to take care of that first, along with your body, and you can do it
job is done.
anywhere.
That's true.
Yeah.
All right. Any message to the viewers out there?
Oh, thank you for coming here and making CCL so incredible to watch. It's been very exciting. Thank you, and I wish all the best to all the teams. I watched Karnataka play the other day, and I watched Bhojpur play the other day. They were incredible. Everybody's giving a tough competition to each other. Keep it up, guys. All the best.
Thank you so much. Of course, rightly said, the level of sports, the level of cricket is outstanding over here, be it a celebrity league. Thank you so much for speaking with us. And please go support your team out there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. All right, we'll go back to the comms now and understand the match situation.
थैंक यू शिफाली हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे महान मेगा स्टार नागार्जुना लगभग 5 दशकों का एक लाजवाब करियर रहा है उनका और जनरेशनल टैलेंट जैसा हम कह सकते हैं उनके बेटे तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के कप्तान अखिल अक्किनेनी हमारे स्क्रीन पर एक रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जारी है कैप्टन अखिल की ओर से और उनका साथ देते हुए सांबा फिलहाल एक बेहतरीन शुरुआत की पहले मनोज तिवारी ने पहले ही ओवर में 3 विकेट्स दिलाने का काम किया अपनी टीम को और उसके बाद बाकी सबका समर्थन मिलता हुआ असगर खान की ओर से एक बेहतरीन गेंद बहुत करीब स्टंप से वाइट बॉल लेकिन कमेंट्री बॉक्स में मेरे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं रमन बनोत मैं हूं सभी श्रीवास्तव
Thank you, Savi. Now this is really close, very, very close to that leg stump. But if the umpire is going to maintain that level of consistency of calling every ball down leg wide, then we're okay with it. I was just thinking, how did that not hit the stumps? Still can't believe it.
नेक्स्ट साइड पर खेल दिया है इस बार, गैप ढूंढते हुए, लेकिन आखिरी क्षण पर बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग। अखिल ले जाएंगे 2 रन। क्या कमाल का स्पेल असगर खान की ओर से, 2 ओवर में उन्होंने दिए मात्र 11 रन। 6 के बाद तेलुगु वॉरियर्स 56 पर 4।